Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Insertion sort can be tricky, but we will master this array problem in just 60 seconds. Let's find the values after exactly 2 passes together.
Starting with the array 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we begin the first pass where j equals 1. We pick up the 4 and compare it to the 5 behind it.
Since 4 is smaller than 5, we shift the 5 over and insert the 4 at the front. After this first pass, our array now looks like 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. For the second pass, j equals 2, so we pick up 3. Shifting 4 and 5 right places 3 at the start, giving option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust given values and check your steps.